Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix while you're trying to purchase the game Hollow Knight Silksong or Steam Purchase Error Initializing update your transaction is having an issue. So now you're trying to purchase this game. So for me, I have already bought this game. So if you're having the trouble, what you need to just click on add to cart. If you're purchasing this game for the first time, go to view my cart. Now if you're having this trouble, whenever you're trying to purchase this, just click on continue. That is what you have to do. You have to keep on clicking, spam click on the continue again and again. Sometime when you click on the continue, you might get the error that the error initializing or updating your transaction. You might get it. I'm having this game already there, so I'll demonstrate you with an example. So let me go over here. For example, imagine that I'm trying to purchase this particular game. So I add this to the cart. And if I go to view my cart, you can see I have two games. So let me remove this. And now I wanted to purchase this game. In your case, instead of Daemon X Manisha Titanic Sikion, you'll be having Hollow Knight Silksong. So just keep on hitting on the spam. You have to click, keep on hitting on the continue to the spam, to the payment, spam click over here again and again, at least 15 to 20 times. Then what happens is you will be entering to purchase build. Once after the purchase, you can have the game. I'm not able to show you that because this is what I did when I had this particular issue. I did multiple times of keep on hitting on the continue, spam hitting on the continue, and afterwards I was able to purchase this game. So this is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.